Okay, next. A man passed 1/6 of his life in childhood, 1/12 in youth, and 1/7 more as a bachelor. 5 years after his marriage, a son was born who died 4 years before his father at half his father's final age. What was the man's final age? Okay? So, let lang natin na yung final age ng father, tawagin lang natin na X. No? Final age. Or yan din ay yung lifespan niya. Okay, tapos meron siyang anak, no? So, tawagin na lang din natin na S, yung final age ng son. Ayan. Okay? So, dito sabi niya, yung lifespan niya daw, kinuwento, no, kung ano yung nangyari. So, una, ito yung total niya na lifespan, equal yan sa 1/6 niyan is childhood, o di 1/6, ito yung childhood. Tapos after niya maging childhood, naging youth siya, no? So, which is 1/12 nung age niya. And then, naging bachelor siya for 1/7. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, at this stage, nagpakasal na siya. No? After niya magpakasal, 5 years after niya magpakasal, so plus 5 years, no? Pinanganak yung anak niya. No? Tapos yung anak niya namatay, no? So, ibig sabihin, naunang namatay anak. So, ibig sabihin, after 5 years, nagkaroon ng number of years na S. Kumbaga, yun yung total years na ibinuhay ng anak, no? Tapos namatay. Tapos, after mamatay ng anak, 4 years before his father. So, ibig sabihin, after 4 years na namatay yung anak, namatay na rin yung father. So, ito yung, ibig sabihin, ito yung buong lifespan ni father. So, lahat yan equal dun sa X. Okay? Tapos, ano ba tong S? Sabi kasi dito, yung age daw nung son is half nung final age ng father. So, ibig sabihin, yung S is just 1/2 of X. So therefore, pag pinasok mo yan dyan, magiging X is equal to 1/6X plus 1/12X plus 1/7X plus 5 plus 1/2 of X plus 4. So from here, we can now solve for the lifespan or the final age of the father. Okay, and that gives us 84 years. And that would be our answer.